Why has Kashmir turned hell? Why is no one good and well? Why is misery, grief, and pain? Tell me, my friend, if you can. Where from rapes and murders came? Where is ours that cultural fame? Where is he who sowed this grain? Tell me, my friend, if you can. Where is the shadow of chinar trees? Where is the tune of humble bees? Where is the melody of threshing grain? Tell me, my friend, if you can. Why is lament, terror, and cry? Why is no one here to shy? Why our efforts are all in vain? Tell me, my friend, if you can. Who has grabbed our every joy? Who has treated us like a toy? Who has sealed our tongue and brain? Tell me, my friend, if you can.